Hey everybody, I just want to let you know that I have a brand new album that is just about to come out called Live in Fear. Now, the album might be out at the time of you watching this video. My new album, Live in Fear, can be streamed on all major platforms and anywhere that you listen to music. This is what the album cover looks like, and this is what some of the music sounds like.
Worship your screen. Live in fear.
Now, the album may or may not be out at your time of watching this video because I am recording this commercial before the fact. So if it's not out at the time of you watching this commercial, then feel free to listen to some of my other music that is on all major platforms, and just know that there is a new album right around the corner. Also, one more brief announcement. Do you like stuff? Good! In the description of the video that you are watching right now, there is a link to my merch store, which is on eBay. I've been having a lot of fun selling things on eBay lately. I've been designing a lot of really cool clothes, as well as selling automotive and motorcycle parts from these videos. I've also been selling some really cool stuff on there, like tattoo supplies and a bunch of other things. Okay, thanks. Enjoy the rest of the video. Steal this bike. Stolen. Hot wired. Look how close this cow is to the road. Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does. We're riding a CTR 225. I'm gonna try and get a couple shots of this before it gets completely dark out. Wow, whoa, whoa, it's muddy.